Hi, my name is Doc Bianca, a licensed physician from NU, and welcome to this guide on safely administering your weekly semaglutide injections. This video will walk you through the process step by step. The first injection can feel a bit daunting, but rest assured, the needle is very fine, and with a few simple steps, you'll become comfortable with the procedure in no time. To begin, gather your supplies: a sterile syringe, your prescribed medication, and an alcohol swab. Always wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water before you start. Next, prepare your injection. Remove the sterile cap from your GLP-1 medication vial and wipe the top with an alcohol swab. Use another alcohol swab to prep the site of the injection. Make sure the area is clean. Now, remove the protective cap from the end of the syringe. Pull back the plunger to draw air into your syringe, matching the volume of your prescribed medication. Puncture the top of the vial with a needle and push the air into the vial. This breaks the vacuum seal, allowing you to withdraw the medication easily. Invert the vial with one hand and slowly pull the plunger back with the other, drawing the medication into the syringe to the correct dosage. Carefully remove the needle from the vial. Gently tap or flick the syringe to bring any air bubbles to the top, then slowly push the plunger to remove them. You might need to adjust the plunger slightly to reach the precise dose. Once your injection is ready, avoid touching the needle tip or letting it contact any surface. Now, select your injection site: the front of your abdomen, the top of your thigh, or the back of your arm. Always inject directly into bare skin and consider alternating sides each week. You're now ready to inject. Hold the syringe between your index and middle fingers with your thumb on the plunger. Position it at a 90-degree angle to the skin. Carefully insert the needle all the way into your skin, avoid jabbing, and slowly push the plunger to inject the medication. Once all the medication is injected, gently remove the needle from your skin. Finally, discard the syringe immediately in a safe, hard-sided container with a lid. You can use a sharps container or even an empty laundry detergent bottle. Do not attempt to recap the syringe, as this can lead to accidental needle sticks. Store your medication vial back in the refrigerator for future use, but never in the freezer. Eventually, the vial can be disposed of safely in a hard-sided container with a lid. Keep in mind that each vial should ideally be used within 90 days, whether it has been used or not. If you're traveling, keep your medication away from the heat. Do not leave it in your car or pack it in checked luggage. Always carry it with you. If you are taking other medications, consult your healthcare provider about potential interactions with your semaglutide medication. We are here to support you throughout your health journey. For any questions or additional support, please reach out to your healthcare team. They are available 24/7 to answer any questions you may have. Congratulations on taking this important step towards your well-being. We are glad to be with you on this journey.